Hey guys, welcome back. This is question 16 for our review game board. If you are ready, let's get started. Ellie measured the length and width of a table in the back of the classroom. She determined that it was 3.25 feet by 5.75 feet. What are the dimensions of the table in inches? So if you'll notice, both of our things were given in feet, and it wants us to determine inches. Well, I think the first thing that we would have to know is how many inches are in a foot. And on the front of your packet, if you don't know, you could pause right now and look. And on that table on the front of this packet, it tells us that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So we would need to take our feet, because we're going from a bigger unit to a smaller unit. Feet are bigger than inches, so when we do that, we multiply. When we go feet to inches. Well, so let's go down here and do 3.25 times 12. So we're doing 325 hundredths, right? So when we do that, we do 5 times 2, which is 10, carry our 1. 2 times 2 is 4, add 1 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. And then we cross out our 1s and go to our tenths place. So I put my placeholder, my tens place, so I put my placeholder 0. And this is 5 times 1, 2 times 1, and 3 times 1. We're going to add that all together. 8, 9, and it was hundredths, right? We were in the hundredths place, so I need to have my answer in the hundredths place. So as you can see, I put my decimal in the hundredths place because we were doing hundredths times 12, 325 hundredths times 12. So 3.25 feet is 39 inches. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. 5.75 times 12. Beep, beep, beep. The secret word is rectangular pyramid. The secret word is rectangular pyramid. All right, so 5 times 2 is 10. 7 times 2 is 14. Add 1. Carry the 1. 5 times 2 is 10. Add the 1. And we're done with the 1s. So we put a placeholder 0 and move to the tens. 5 times 1, 7 times 1, and 5 times 1. We add that all together. 1, 2, 9. I put my decimal point here because we were doing 575 hundredths. So my answer goes right here, and that equals 69 inches. Remember, the secret word is rectangular pyramid. All right, guys, have a great day. And if you participated today, go ahead and give yourself 1 point. All right, have a great day. Take care.